I was reading where the Universe boss, Gayle, revealed that in his travels all over the world playing international and franchise cricket, he has faced racism. Gayle said, quote, "Racism is not only in football, it's in cricket too. Even within teams, as a black man, I have received racial remarks towards me." End quote. Quite shocking. But you know, in all of this, we have to big up the Universe boss. The way he went about his professional business, traveling to all parts of the world, he played his cricket, made his runs, broke all those records, received all those accolades, interspersed with what he's now admitting was some amount of racial abuse. And throughout his almost 2 decades in international cricket, this is the first time we're hearing anything about racial abuse. And it don't even sound like a complaint. It sounded more like, yeah man, them thing are going in a cricket too. Yes, yes. But it never stopped me from becoming the greatest player in the history of T20 cricket. And for me, that is an attribute worth highlighting and emulating. Universe boss, you see them talk here, and they really start them kind of talk here. Yeah man. And how you overcome, and they really start. Yes, yes, yes. Man, I bring the bag of loose start the other day. Yes. This racism talk, and how you deal with it, and they really start. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Universe. Big up yourself.